The interval in which the function f of x to the is equal to x to the power x is increasing, decreasing. You know how to differentiate x to the power x. Differentiate, put equal to 0, form intervals, and then find in which interval it's increasing. And in fact, you should remember the derivative of x to the power x straight away. It's a function to the power function. You'll be taking log of both the sides. This is function to the power function, so you have to take log and then differentiate. So taking log will be log of fx. This would be log of x to the power x. So log of fx, and this is x log x. When you differentiate, it will be 1 by fx into f dash x into 1 by x, 1 into log x. So derivative of this function is x to the power x into 1 plus log x. Remember this. Sometimes it's also been written this way. 1 you can always write log e to the base e. Then you can apply property also. Log a plus log b is log ab. So this is also the same thing. X to the power x log of ex. It's not e to the power x, it's e into x. Log a plus log b is log a into b. So this is the derivative which you have to equate to 0. So when you equate this to 0, this would be x to the power x, 1 plus log x. X to the power x can't be 0. So 1 plus log x to the base e. So log x to the base e is equal to minus 1. So it will be x is equal to e to the power minus 1. X would be 1 by e. So the critical point is 1 by e. And x to the power x would be possible only when x is more than 0. So your intervals would be 0 to 1 by e and 1 by e to infinity. Only two intervals are possible. E is approximately 2.72. So we can consider this interval. I can take x is equal to 1 in this interval. So if I find f dash 1, what will be the value? X 1 to the power 1 positive, log 1 is 0, it would be 1. So f dash is coming out to be positive in this interval. So this is increasing over here. It would be negative. So it will be decreasing over here. So the function is increasing in the interval 1 by e to infinity. That's 1 by e to infinity. All right. Anya, got it? Akshara, Avika. Ren, you studying? Have you seen the videos?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about Zaina? Are you watching videos?
Yes, sir.
This symbol is for all x. All. This for all, right? This 5. 1 by root 5. So here y is not f of x, y is different. So first you need to find the function. First question is how would you find f of x? Using this, you need to find f of x. Then that f of x will substitute in y, and then you find increasing, decreasing of y. Think y is not f of x. This is a function which contains x and 1 by x both. So whenever you come across this kind of question, always replace x by 1 by x. In the entire equation, replace x by 1 by x. क्या फायदा होगा? This would be 5 into 1 by x. This would be 4 into x. This would be 1 by x square minus 2. Now we have to get rid of 1 f of 1 by x. I want f of x. So multiply this by 5, this entire equation by 4 and subtract. This will cancel out. Multiply the first equation by 5, second equation by 4 and subtract. F of 1 by x will cancel. You'll find f of x. Do that. And once you find f of x, you know y. What is y also? क्या हुआ? फिर परेशान क्यों? Always replace x by 1 by x. Get rid of 1 f of 1 by x. So 25 minus 16 fx is how much? 9. 9 of fx on the left side. Right side is 5x square minus 10 minus 4 by x square plus 8. So 9x square fx equals to 5x4 minus 2x square minus 4. And this is nothing but y. So this is your function. Now it's a simple question of increasing, decreasing. 5x4 minus 2x square minus 4 is the function. Is it correct, Meira? Oh, yes. This is the one. So now this is to be differentiated, put equal to 0, form intervals and find increasing, decreasing. ये था. So nowadays questions are not tough. They're slightly lengthy. This was slightly different because function was f of x plus f of 1 by x. Now differentiate it, put equal to 0, form intervals. X is equal to 0, x square is equal to 1 by 5. That x means x is plus minus 1 by root 5. 3 points, 4 intervals. Minus 1 by root this, then 0, then 1 by root 5. These are the intervals. The 4 intervals. 3 critical points would mean 4 intervals. Now, which is the simplest interval? I take this one. I can substitute x is equal to 1 over here. If I substitute x is equal to 1, will it be positive or negative? 20 minus 4, it's positive. That means here the function is increasing. Increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So the question was, y is increasing? Minus 1 by root 5 to 0. and 1 by root 5 to infinity. D. B for Mumbai. That's the answer. बस ऐसे गेस कर. All right. Differentiate and put it equal to 0. You would apply product rule. E to the power x, e to the power x, and then derivative of x into 1 minus x square. Derivative of x minus x square plus derivative of x is 1, e to the power x into 1 minus x. E to the power x into 1 minus x common. It will be x minus 2x square plus 1. This is the derivative. Is this the derivative? Now equate this to 0. This cannot be 0 because e to the power something. That is x minus 2x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Form the quadratic. Middle split. Get critical points. There are two critical points, 1 and minus half. Form intervals. Take x is equal to 0 in this interval. This x equal to 0 you substitute over here. So this will be e to the power 0. It's coming out to be positive. So minus half to 1, it's positive. So here the derivative is positive. Negative, negative. Function is increasing. Decreasing, decreasing. So A is the answer. Yes, Ryan. Then now we have a test on Saturday, which is no, quadratic. Sequence is already done, I think. You have not finished sequence series also. These online guys will be writing quadratic because तुम लोग तो हमेशा पीछे रहते हो. So on, huh? Sequence series already done with the other batches. Southex has written, online finished. You guys are lagging behind. But they write tests regularly. You guys miss tests. Quadratic. See, okay, guys, ending the class. See you next time. Same place, same time.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.